Hi, this is Aaron Ople, and this is my reflection about purchasing as a part of supply chain management. Supply chain Purchasing is a critical component of supply chain management, serving as the foundation, acquiring goods and services necessary for production and operation, reflecting on its role. I realize that purchasing is not merely about buying materials at the lowest cost, but about creating value through strategic supplier relationships, cost optimization, and ensuring quality. One key takeaway is the importance of aligning purchasing decisions with organizational goals. For instance, a company aiming for sustainable must prioritize suppliers who adhere to ethical and environmental standards. To demonstrate how purchasing decisions directly impact a company brand image and long-term success. Moreover, purchasing requires a deep understanding of the market, including suppliers, capabilities, pricing trends, and potential risk. Effective negotiation and supplier evaluation are crucial skills that ensure the organization secures the best terms without compromising quality. It also highlights the need for contingency planning to manage disruptions such as a supply shortage, geopolitical issues which can significantly affect operations. Technology has transformed purchasing process, making them more efficient, and data-driven tools like procurement software and AI analytics self-organization, streamline supplier selection of automate repetitive tasks, and make informed purchasing decisions. This shift emphasizes the growing importance of digital literacy in supply chain roles. Finally, purchasing is deeply connected to other aspects of supply chain, such as a logistic, inventory management. A delay or oversight in purchasing can triple through the supply chain, affecting delivery timelines and customer satisfaction. This interdependence reinforces the need for collaboration and communication across departments. In conclusion, purchasing is not just a transactional function but a strategic activity that impacts costs, efficiency, quality, and organizational resilience. This reflection is encouraged me to approach purchasing with holistic perspective, understanding its broader implication within supply chain.